Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will cover vector class of Java collection framework. Vector class implements list interface. Vector class is same like ArrayList class. The main difference between vector class and ArrayList class is that vector class methods are synchronized while ArrayList class methods are not synchronized. Vector class methods are synchronized. That means multiple threads cannot execute together in a method of vector, while multiple threads could execute together in a method of ArrayList. That is why vector is slower than ArrayList class. There are few vector class specific methods. To add an element to the vector, we could also use the method add element in addition to the method add. To remove an element from the vector, we could also use the methods remove element and remove element add in addition to the method remove. To clear the vector, we could also use the method remove all elements. To get an element from the vector, we could also use the method element add. To get the first element of the vector, we could use the method first element. To get the last element of the vector, we could use the method last element. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.